Have you ever been to the pool and thought, wow, lifeguarding looks like the easiest job in the world? Well, what I'm about to go over with you might change your mind. I worked as a lifeguard for the city of Springfield for 2 years, and in this speech, I'm going to go over with you what a normal shift might entail. Let's talk about the physical procedures of opening the pool. Equipment is the most important part, and all of it must be in place and working properly. Equipment like the attractions, which includes water slides and diving boards. You must make sure that the attractions are working properly in order to ensure the safety of the patrons. Next, you might check the chemical makeup of the pool to make sure that it's not harmful for the patrons. Other equipment like spinal backboards, BPBs, and defibrillators must be tested and in their assigned place. So far, we've looked at the physical procedure of opening the pool. Now let's talk about the customer service aspect of lifeguarding. Drowning incidents occur 5 times less than incidents where just normal medical attention is required from a lifeguard. For this reason, children often see lifeguards as paramedics. So when interacting with children, make sure to keep a soft tone and call all little girls sweetie and all little boys buddy, to keep them from being scared. If there's an injury, follow the plan of action given to you by the Red Cross Lifeguarding Handbook. Watch your water coverage zone to make sure that the parents know that their kids are being watched and that they're safe. Keep the deck clean and free of hazards at all times. Now we've covered the customer service aspect of lifeguarding as well as the physical procedure for opening the pool. In conclusion, lifeguard may look like clock watching, but there's a lot more to the job than you might know. In this speech, we talked about the physical procedure of opening the pool, which includes equipment, as well as the customer service aspect of lifeguarding. I hope you now have a better understanding of the job. Thank you.